Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today in this short video lecture I will guide you how to make a house plan step by step in the dimensions of 20 by 20 feet. This is square plot, size is 20 by 20 feet. Remember guys, we have three sides closed, okay? So these three sides are closed. Left, right and back side is closed. That's why, because we have other person property here, only the front is open to the road side. So if you need house planning, structural drawing, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. This is paid services, not for free. Guys, you can see here, this is ground floor plan, this is front, this is road side, okay? So the first one guys, you can see this is main gate, which width is 4 feet. So here guys, you can see on the left side, when you enter by this main gate, so this is kitchen, size of this kitchen is 6 by 6 feet. And this is its window. Next guys, you can see the size of this TV lounge is 10 by 10 feet. When you come at this side, at the right side, so this is a stair going to the first floor, which width is 3 feet, okay? So the first one guys, you can see this is study room, size of this study room is 8 feet by 8 feet, and this is wardrobe. Here guys, you can see this is the window. So this is open sky, which size is 2 feet 6 inches by 4 feet. Here guys, also you can see the open sky, which is 2 feet 6 inches by 4 feet. So this is study room. The next one is bedroom. Size of this bedroom is 10 feet by 12 feet. So this is its window to this open sky. Size you can see clearly. Next guys, you can see this is attached bath for this bedroom, which size is 4 by 4 feet, and this is its ventilation. And this is the window for this bedroom. Here guys, you can see cross ventilation you will find for this bedroom. So size is 10 by 12 feet. Next guys, you can see here under this staircase also we have a general bath, which size is 3 feet by 4 feet or 3 feet by 5 feet you can keep. Also under this staircase you can also design or make the powder room, okay, under this staircase. So you can provide also here general bath, also a powder room. So hope this short video can help you. Which size for this plot is 20 by 20 feet, and we have 2 bedroom. So one is study room, the next one is bedroom, okay. On the first floor you can also find the same design. So here on the first floor we will have 2 bedrooms. So total we have 3 bedroom, first floor and second, ground floor and first floor. On the ground floor we have a study room, but on the top of that you can provide 2 bedrooms. And here this kitchen you can use as a study room. So hope this short video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.